we're going to start this explaining one of the first kindergarten games. So you're going to have a working space paper. This game is called Roll and Count. It's 1-6 in book 2. So the students they have a working space paper with 10 dots. You can tell them they can put up to 10 counters on the paper. This might be tricky if you get a +3 because they'll have to grab another working space paper, but that's all right. Let's just try it. So say the student puts on 6 cubes and they roll the spinner and they get a plus. So we had 6 and we're going to add 4. All right? Oh, perfect. So then they're going to add 4. And I don't have enough. I didn't grab enough, so hold on 1 second. And we add this, and then we ask the student, and we model the equation. All right, so you started with 6, and so we're going to write it on the whiteboard. We started with 6, and we added 4. How many does that give us all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I ended with 10. All right. So I know that 6 and 4 more is 10. So for this we really are saying is, and this we're saying 4 more. All right, and you're modeling the equations. They're not going to write them early on in the week, and this is one of the first games to play. So again, if they get more than that, they can clear their board. They can go ahead and just spin, and this would be a takeaway problem. So we can say, oh, we don't have enough. We're going to have to start with something. So maybe we start with something. So 3, and we take away, and we're going to take away, and we're going to roll a 5. So if that happens, the student is, you can say, can we take away 5 from 3? And the student would be expected to say no, so we would have to roll again. All right, so we had 3. Can we take away 1? Yep. What is 3, and how many are left? If I had 3 and I took away 1, how many would I have left? And again, you're on your whiteboard modeling the equation. I started with 3 and I took away 1, and now I have 2. So you could put 2. All right, so really what we're working on is just understanding equations, acting out equations initially and then making the equations later. So that's one game.